What's up, y'all? I just want to check in real quick, letting this rain settle. It's actually lighting up because like literally 5 minutes prior it was a downpour. I pulled up to a client's house, um, got out, went to go talk to him, introduce myself, tell him, what I'm gonna do. And then I was about to set up, had my hose set up, and it just downpour, y'all. It's actually stopping now. It's cool. So I just want to check in real quick. Man, I ain't got no poncho, no rain jacket or nothing. Cause literally I was checking the weather and it said it was gonna lighten up around this time. And but Memphis weather is so unpredictable. It could be a downpour in one area and another area, sunshine. So hey, the job gotta get done, people to serve, money to make. But man, business actually been picking up, which I'm grateful. And as long as it ain't raining, I feel like, and I'm gonna be real with y'all. Like I always say this, most of my videos, I say, man, God be looking out for your boy because he know, what I mean, what I need, what my family need. Balancing, a full-time job, balancing life, birthdays and parties and all of that, but also balancing running a business. So, what I mean, like when stuff gets super busy in life, it seems like the cars slow down, but when it kind of settles a little bit and something coming up and the extra money is definitely, is needed. The calls, the text messages, the online submissions. And so I feel like stuff picking back up. And I'm grateful, and people, like I'm at a point in my business, like it's only been a year, like I'm getting a combination of everything, like word of mouth, referrals. I'm getting Google, Instagram, everything, y'all. So if you new to the game, man, you asking how do I get clients, you got to do everything, a little bit of everything, honestly. Like just throw the seeds out. I just see like cast your net wide. There's no dumb idea just to get clients. And just be patient with the process. You can't rush it, you can't force it. It's gonna come. So I'm about to get out here and get it in. Like I said, I ain't got no dry clothes. It's all good. A little water don't hurt. But yeah, y'all, I appreciate y'all for tapping in with me. Got a few more videos that I'm dropping, and I'm trying to like really get into like just sharing, man, the little knowledge that I have. Like I don't care about no gatekeeping. You could be my competitor in the same city watching my videos. Yeah, I see you. Nah, this way, but and you could take it. I don't care. I feel like there's enough knowledge to go around. There's enough work to go around. So I'm sharing, as many, things that I think that could be helpful for somebody like you starting off. And, I feel like the industry, people say it's oversaturated, it's flooded. I don't think so. I do think it's people out here who trying to get into the business and they just think it's easy and you end up tapping out, throwing in the towel. But I'm locked in and I'm still learning and growing every single job, even like this. So next time it's a rainy day, like bring a raincoat or a poncho or something. That way I won't be super drenched. But anyway, I'm about to actually get out. I think it's lighting up enough for me to get it in. Hopefully don't come back down too much. You see the sun coming out more, but them little sprinkles ain't gonna hurt nobody. But yeah, y'all, I just want to check in real quick. Till next time, take care.